Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Update guys. Miit ngayon guys. Dito, this sunflower the snake is not come out. It is not come out today. It always come out on birthday. Look guys, nagsunbeating na po siya guys. Where is your... Look at that guys. Nagsunbeating na po siya guys. Look that. Nagsunbeating na po noon. Wala yung ulo niya. Yung katawan lang ang nandiyan. Hi guys! Good afternoon guys. We're here na at the house guys. And look at this guys. I'm going to Trader Joe's store guys. And we bought this bag guys. Very nice. We bought something over there. A lot inside. Unboxing tayo guys. The bread. Coconut shrimp. And this one. The mahi-mahi. And this one. Hash brown. And this one guys. Teriyaki chicken, and that's it guys. Very nice guys. The bag so nice. Very strong. Nice. The lizard waiting to me guys. Because he is thirsty. Later guys, we need to pour water over here. And that lizard is drink the water. Mag-walk at the little bit. Mag-walk tayo guys. Mag-vlog nice weather today. Few minutes lang. I think this is growing older by this is seed. I don't know. Let's see if that is seed. Heading back to the house. This house for sale. And that house is for sale. That house for sale over here. I like my new phone now guys. Kasi ano siya. Pwede kong i-hawakan ng 3 fingers. Yung phone case na is dito. Nice waiting. for sale. And the mix like this, like they for sale also. Like this for sale, okay. Nag-walk lang ako, short walk. Ang itsura. Good morning guys. Today is Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all mother out there guys. And my sister. Happy Mother's Day. And happy birthday to my sister-in-law. Pagigising ko lang guys. Hi guys, and good morning everyone, and happy Mother's Day today guys. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, and my sister. Happy Mother's Day everyone. Today is Mother's Day, and happy birthday to our sister-in-law in New Jersey. We need to call later guys, and singing happy birthday. And for now, we drink coffee guys. Let's drink coffee. Need to reheat the water over her guys, so that way very quick. Shout out sa mga mothers out there. Sa mga mother warrior. Especially to our mother. Let's drink coffee guys. Still have lips this guy. 5 pieces of coffee. I like this coffee guy. Coffee ko blanca because not very strong. The coffee ko brown is strong. Usually in the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee guy. I'm sure it's not healthy. Mas healthy I think ano, pure coffee. No, no creamer. Yeah. Let's drink coffee, guys. And I think 8 o'clock. Oh, 8 to 10 our grocery is arrived, guys. Please our order in Walmart yesterday, last night. And we set the deliver 8 to 10. 7:57 na. Deliver soon. Happy Mother's Day. Today is Sunday, guys. May 10. May 10 na ngayon, guys. Let's drink coffee. Shout out, guys, sa viewer and subscriber. Let's drink coffee. I'm not boiling too much the water, guys. So that's why not too much hot. It's enough. Let's drink coffee, guys. Sometimes in the morning we drink like 2 or 3 cup of coffee. But we use only half sachet. Let's drink coffee, guys. Hi, guys. Unboxing, guys, for our grocery shopping from Walmart. Me 10, guys. That's the milk, 2 pieces of milk, and the cake mix, chicken brew, the cookies, paper towel, and the pan. And this one, the orange, pizza, chicken, bacon. This one chicken, guys. Freezer, buns, Yakult, my rice, jasmine rice, butter, block of cheese, tomato, raisin. This one pie, guys. Apple pie filling, barbas, sugar cream. And that's it, guys. And how much this been? $105.15 or 6,405 in peso, guys. And that's it, guys. Update sa yard, guys. So very sunny today, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all mother out there, guys. Magdilig ako, guys. Mag-alauna imidyan. Very sunny, oh. Let's see, guys, if the snake is there. Nothing, guys. I think because late na, guys. Look like they do sunbathing in the morning, eh. Now is 1 p.m. So it's not there.